We are so excited to announce the debut of our FACS LMS Learning Management System at CHCS for the 2022-23 school year. We are confident that this digital platform will enhance students' virtual learning experience. LMS also allows teachers to connect with students online, including distributing materials, collecting assignments, facilitating discussions, and assessing progress, while still syncing information to the current RenWeb SIS system. Teachers make announcements, start discussions, and post and grade assignments there as well. Teachers and students can converse within LMS via the chat. Students can reach out to their peers to share ideas and ask for help. A calendar also displays class events, making it easy to know when assignments are due. Parents can view homework, due dates, lesson plans, the status of submitted work, and grades with the family portal as well. Let me show you exactly how easy it would be for a parent, teacher, or faculty member or student to log into their FACS LMS system. They would only need their district code, username, and password, which will all be provided by the teacher. Afterwards, they would log in. Once logged in, for teachers, they could go straight to their classroom. From their classroom, they'd only need to come over to the left-hand side, pick whatever subject they're teaching, go straight into that class, and there you'll be able to see any student, plug in grades, look at your lesson plan, contact parents, look at homework, get student information. From the student point of view, LMS will allow students to come in and do chats with their teacher. This is what it would look like from a student perspective. They would have all their class subjects there. Any information that the teacher wants to relay to them would be here on upcoming events, all classwork that would be due. But in addition to that, they have a chat button up in the right-hand corner. This is the area that a student could click on. They could type in any teacher's name. That teacher will pop up. They could click on that person and then start a chat with any administrator, teacher, faculty member, and even other students in their classroom. It's an easy way for them to stay connected. Parents, students, teachers, everybody could stay connected at one time and be able to see the dialogue. I believe this is going to be a great asset to our school next year. If you have any additional questions about LMS, you want a tutorial or more information, please contact the CHCS LMS Facilitator for assistance by 770-293-0777, or you can email them at lms@chcseducation.com.